Right. You should be able to hear me. First stream. What does it sound like? Alright. Okay. Should everyone just start off with... I was not prepared to start streaming. I set all this up today. What you guys should be looking at right now is a simple health bar I was working on. Where, Oh. Interesting. It is very interesting. Let's immediately go over to my other scene. I made this scene just in case I was getting some bugs that I had to fix during stream. But wait. To fix... That sucks. Oh, I guess you get to see me watch. Okay, so you get to watch me fix it. Watch it as it happens. I do have to do what I didn't want to do. Should be fine though. I don't want to do that. I'll probably do this. Look, there's 2 atoms. Ah. Yeah, there's that. But this is a health bar I was working on. So if you click on it, it brings the health down. If I scroll, it heals it. Right now I have it at our max, so I just keep healing, just like doesn't go anywhere. If I click, it does the same thing. This code is a little overcomplicated to make sure if you were like clicking fast enough or like scrolling fast enough that it didn't break and just not listen to stop. And you obviously won't need that when it's an actual like hurt, not click to hurt the player, or like a scroll to heal the player. It'll be a solid like potion, or like over time or something. It'll be slow, or a huge chunk, one fast addition problem, not a bunch of small ones. So it'll be a lot simpler and it won't be as buggy. But this got the general idea down. This is my first time ever doing it. Now I said I was going to code the coding process. We're going to get to that. That'll be for the actual game. This is just a health bar. How's the stream going? You guys get to see when I look at the stream now. Yo. Okay. Cool. Stream health? Terrible. Yeah, that happens. Someone did tune in. Someone is watching, most likely. This is absolute jank. Welcome. Let's go back to my other scene. Okay, so while you guys are on that, I'm going to switch over to the actual game that I'm going to be coding on today. Wasn't really prepared enough, but it'll be fine. You guys will just be on that a little longer then. I planned for. Okay. Right now I'm just opening the game. Opening that. Should have opened that earlier. So I think all of the work, or most of the work, I uploaded from my dev vlog, my first video, was lost. / I got rid of it. So, yes. And no. This, yes, all the work I did for my dev blog is gone. But not really. Not really at all. You guys, you'll see. It honestly looks like I did more work. There's just not a line that was like a wall that had no collision. You'll see. You'll see. Doing one more small thing before I whatever. Actually, open. Okay. You guys are gonna come back over with me. Yeah, you guys are seeing this now. So this is basically what I left off with before I started the stream. Before I started filming my dev vlog. And then I later removed the image because I wanted it to be my dog and it wasn't working. It was being too glitchy. So I just gave up on it. But right now, yeah, this does work. Just the website of this image. Just a random image I found. Put dog. Same code should be same code. It is. Yes. Identical code. Nothing different. You didn't miss anything. Except for like that. That image is my cube. Apply the texture right there. Set the width and the height. Set the location, which is X and Y. And that's values are set in the movement. I didn't go over this in my devlog because it's supposed to be coding. Those are just what I've done, what the game looks like, what I hate about it. Every good devlog has that. I'm just kidding, but I wish. So I haven't got the comment. I got the section ready for map, but I'm just main reason took me like 2 days, 3 days to stream. I think it's 2 days. I don't know. I'm too lazy to look. From when I uploaded the video to, do the map. It's a very scary task. I'm very worried about it. Scared about what's gonna happen. What's gonna go through with that. I don't know where to start is the main reason. I've been thinking, I just can't come up with anything. I think the first thing we're gonna do is hop into the reference for p5.js, which is the language I'm using. If you did not know, this is the website. This is the p5.js, p5js.org. It's great for beginners. I am one. Very much. I just hit my mic. I don't know how loud that was for you guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna make sure you guys can actually hear me though. Yeah, you guys can hear me. Alright. So let's hop over to the reference. I'm gonna repeat myself a lot because I do that and I'm kinda nervous. This is my first live stream at all. That's why it's better than It's better than most first live streams. Admit it. But it took me like 10 minutes to set up, 15 minutes to set up. Okay, now actually I need to stop stalling. I need to figure out how I'm gonna do this map. Nothing with collisions. I already checked this when I was thinking. There's nothing inside this engine that I know of. It's just like easy way to implement coding. I could check YouTube. I know a channel helped me through my bumps of learning how to code, teaching myself how to code. That might have to do with it. That might talk about this, but we will see if I have to resort to that. I'm resorting to that. Forget it. We will not see. We know now. This was gonna be a thumbnail for a video I filmed, just never uploaded. That's what this is. Okay, go to my other screen. Okay. The coding train. Not Brackies. I don't know if he even teaches P5.js, but I was thinking about looking into his channel. I have a friend that got taught by him. He could be the person watching. Who knows? Probably like the only one that would be interested in this. Any of my friends would be interested in this. Okay. P5.js. Let's see. Okay, let me bring you guys back over. Yes. I don't really care you guys see what I subscribe to on this account. It's basically just other coding channels, and of course this channel. Checking object. This is P5.js. Just making it play through my headphones. Amazing YouTuber. Excuse me, move your head please. I want to look at your code. This dot update equals function. Okay. I might want to stop streaming temporarily and start streaming again. Of when I watch this video and I know what's going on. There, you guys can like actually see it now. I don't think you guys could see it there too when I was looking at the reference either. But what? Okay. I'm gonna watch this video. Probably not watch it all the way through. So you guys aren't getting the audio either, which is fine. You guys are gonna be on this scene looking at. This is the idea for my game, by the way, that I'm gonna be working on this video. Shout out to Grapey Boy. I don't know if he has a channel, but whatever. I definitely didn't ask him at 3 in the morning. The time is totally wrong. I asked him right before I filmed my first devlog, which if you didn't watch the video, go do that. I talked about it. I filmed that at like 3, 4 in the morning. So, started coding at 3, finished at 4, and then filmed the video. So yeah, I would recommend cutting on the stream and coming back in like 5-10 minutes. All right, we are back. Um, did I learn something? Do I know stuff better? Exactly. Not really. I mean, not this video didn't help. I need to watch more. It kind of just confused me more. It showed me a lot of things that I didn't want to do or deal with in any way. Whoops. Went back further than I wanted. Want to go over here to the board. This is what I need. Using the distance function. So basically, if the basically this told me, let's say where my mouse is and where basically see both these circles. If the distance between them is less than both their radii added together, they're overlapping or they're touching. That's what that told me. Now I just need to zoink. Steal some code. Why would you? I'm not gonna. Did he do? He didn't do it there. I don't think he did in his other code either. This is 600 by 600. I think I later changed that to 1000 by 1000 because I realized I need to program the camera to follow the player. I don't want to. I don't know if you can do that. It would more be... It'd be an illusion. Well, everything's illusion. Like the entire WebGL 3D part, it's an illusion. Well, that part of P5, it's an illusion. It's all an illusion. It's all an illusion. I don't know if you believe me, but this dog picture, this cartoon dog, that's 2D. I know, shocking. Can you even use the camera with 2D? That's the main thing I'm worried. See, that's 3D. That's 3D, or 3D, kind of. 3D in 3D. I've got a full camera there. Okay. Wait, is that? Oh, I thought it was 2D for a second. Are you 2D? Well, no, you're very much not 2D. You're not 2D. Should I just try? Try to see. See, it's like this is... See, I'm panning the camera right now, which I don't want to do. None of these move? Okay. Whatever. That's so... I don't even... I feel so pressured right now. I feel so pressured. Extremely pressured. guys haven't even see the game that well. There. That should be better. Is that right now? Yeah. Well, now-ish. Come on, talking shade. What up, one viewer? Do you have anything you want to say? For my eyes to see. I don't know why I said say. You have nothing to say. Come on. I have an average watch time of 20. How long have I been streaming? Ugh. Oh my god. Oh, wait, I need to do this. There we go. Pretty long. So they've been here for most of it. Even though they don't want to talk in chat. Are they even watching? They're trying to make me feel better. How rude. Right? How rude of them. I just accidentally opened Steam. Made what? So my announcement of, my stream doesn't look like any of my friends saw it. They announced it on Discord. Let's see if my coding friend wants to stop by. That could also be the one watching. But I mean, he won't talk in chat, so who knows? Did he? Did he did he delete his account? I'm so mad. I'm so mad. So for the past like past minute, I was muted. But basically what I was doing, and I was trying to get a different picture working that was my dog for the player instead of that random image I found. And I realized that wasn't going to work. So now I'm looking for another image. Sorry, I had to mute for a second. Someone walked in my room. Now they're yelling, so if you can hear that in the background, I'm sorry. It's not my fault. I'm gonna make this big. Okay. What image do I want to do? If I search like, can I just like use any image of a dog? I don't know. I keep confusing dogs with cows. I have a problem. Dungeon dog. If you look at the file name of the game on my computer, it's called Dungeon Cow because I accidentally named it cow. Then I just searched cow instead of dog on accident. Should we just do like a really small dog's head? Or should I do like a logo, like a drawing? I mean, if the person watching, they could tell me. They could tell me what they think or want me to do. Okay, one person watching. It just updated and you were watching, so. One person watching, could you please, give me an opinion? Please just talk in chat. This is live. Just tell me. I'll do it. Should I do a drawing or should I do an actual dog? Dog. One second. My sister's being really loud. I'm gonna mute. Okay. I want to continue my stream, so I'm just gonna mute. But if you're a dog running across the ground, I'm sorry. My sister's insane and my dog is insane. I'm definitely gonna go with a real dog because the clipper, I'm like getting into legal trouble for using like someone else's art, but I don't really care, so just to be safe. Look at these noses on these dogs. I'm definitely using one of these. Pin on funny dog. Funny dog. Oh, funny dog. That was definitely posted on Facebook. Okay, you guys can watch this. Me. I'm looking at dogs. I'm gonna do that. So this is the dog I first clicked on. I know it looks terrible. No, shut up. I'm just kidding. I know you guys says nothing. I shouldn't tell my viewers to shut up, but I don't care. So shut up. Just kidding. Obviously. I put it in an offset, but I'm not going to, just so people don't complain. Come on, one viewer. One viewer, come on, please. Just tell me. Give me something. Say something. I like that dog. I know this is a face swap. That's like a dog and like a person, snack and like body that they just got a spray tan in and then put the dog face on. I like that one though too, but it's not square. I'm gonna search square dog head. Square. Oh, that's not what I wanted, but I'm not regretting it. I should just cut out like around the dog's head and then it should be the player. Okay. Give me 2 seconds. I'm doing that. I'm doing a lot. Make sure, yeah, you guys are seeing that. You guys can hear me. Sorry if there's any car background noises. I live right next. I am. Yeah. No, it was terrible. Okay, see, the corners aren't square, so it's making this hard. It's fine because the corners aren't square, and I'm too lazy to like do this nice. I'm just using the snipping tool over the image. I'm just gonna grab it because I'm not actually gonna like Photoshop this or cut this. Because I want it to be a perfect square too. So I'm like spitting everywhere. I need more energy, even though I usually have a bunch of energy. I'm using this image. I'm saving this. File, save as haha dog. Wait, did I save that correctly? Well, now I think about it, I shouldn't. What was the point of looking it up online if I was just gonna save it? Can I get a picture of this dog's face that's more like just the dog face? Maybe I should search like face instead. I'll get you guys off that screen in a second. There we go. I want just the dog face. I want it zoomed in on. I want the image I made, which I would pull up, but I'm too lazy. Well, I'll pull it up. Ugh. Wasting my time. You guys are wasting my time. You guys didn't ask for this, but you're wasting my time. No, I'm not. I'm not. It looks terrible anyways. I'm not showing it to you. No. Copy. Yep. 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 You guys can come back over here. We're going back to the code part. People hate because they hate. I didn't even copy it. I was just like, yeah, I totally have it copied. Let me grab it. Or should I? Maybe it's just the image, cause like maybe it's because it's a PNG, but like all my stuff are PNGs. Did I name that? I did. You guys could see before me. Did it work? It did not. Why would anything work? I'm gonna refresh the page in case it didn't work. How square is that image? Like, yeah, it's all 90-degree angles, whatever, but is it square? Like the one I made. I wish you would tell me that. I wish you would just tell me easier. Why do I? This is all a game. Okay. It is not square. It is 163 by 194. 163 by 194. So it is not square at all. But I mean, dog heads shouldn't be square, so. I'm probably just gonna. That cute dog. Cute old dog. I'm gonna put that. Oh no, the dog's way up there. I don't care. Just kidding. All I really want to hide is like that, so. I probably need a better way to like hide that. Because this looks weird to you guys, I know. But. I don't really want to. I already did show it, but. I'll cut. I'm not cutting it out. It's too lazy. I'm gonna blur it. Whatever I feel like in the final upload. This will get uploaded after this, but it'll be uncut. It'll just be the stream. Of course, I don't plan to do anything else. Oh, I keep getting a little loud. Whenever I get loud, I'm loud. Still, come on. Welcome, talk in the chat, please. I've been live for 50 minutes. Please say something. Please say something. Come on. Well, they've been watching almost the entire thing, but they don't really care. They're still not gonna care. I just want to communicate with my one viewer. Come on, my one viewer. It's probably my one subscriber, too. Wait, do I have... No, I have 3 subscribers. I lied. Hey, they're all my friends, though. Probably. If you know me in real life, I don't know, like the video. If you don't, actually, no. If you don't know me in real life, like the video. I'm gonna stall until they write in the chat. Or we hit 50 minutes on the live stream. Which we almost fit. Come on, 10 seconds. You have 10 seconds to say something in the chat. Say hello. Come on, I'm pressuring you. Nothing works. I'm setting up walking around. Okay, we have 15 minutes. Probably gonna stop at the... Yeah. I'm gonna stop at the hour mark. Yeah, I'm gonna stop at the hour mark. So I have like 10 more minutes of stream. And I've done nothing. I've done absolutely nothing. How has it been an hour? I feel like I got the record for the most boring stream. I have an idea. If this works, I'm gonna break someone's... Just kidding. I wouldn't do that. I would never break someone's neck. You guys should be on the other page, but I'll bring you back. Nope, wrong thing. There. This So this isn't red. It didn't work, and I'm kind of mad about that. I just changed things from all caps for PNG to not all caps, and it didn't change a thing. Haha dog .png. So it doesn't want to be a file. It doesn't want to take a file. What if... Maybe I should do this. What if I do this? Because in the browser, if you change it... Don't look at that. If you change it to the lowercase version, it still works. What if... Yeah, look at this epic coding. You guys just go stare at that idea the entire stream. It's basically been it. Am I unmuted? I am. Okay. This epic gameplay is becoming less and less, or epic coding is becoming less and less epic. Why don't you work? Just work for me, you know? It'd be great. I think everyone would be happy. How about I just do something that works so we can actually code? Give me. I don't want a square face dog. I want the face of a square dog. That's not what I meant. I want a face of a... I want a square picture of a dog's face. Is this... That is not square. That is not square. That is not square. That is... That's not. I'm putting that in the Google search. Come here. You guys can barely see this. Picture of a dog's... Square picture of a dog's face. I'm still just getting square-faced dogs. I'm still just getting square-faced dogs. That's a circle. Funny dogs, face-to-face, haha. You guys actually want to be able to see this? Sure. There. If I'm having problems seeing the chat or they're just not talking, I'm gonna take they're not talking. I need to stop bringing that up and stalling. Okay. This is annoying. Oh, I'm so mad. This is so annoying. Can I just get square? That's art. I know, it's not even square. Why is it so hard to get a square? No, why is it so hard to get a square image? I just want a square image. That's not even... The man, the myth, the legend. A square image. Not here. Okay. Okay. We get to actually do this. Boom. Boom. You guys gonna see it before me? Boom. Oh. Boom. I'm making this bigger. You guys again gonna see it before me. What does it look like? It looks like that. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, let's do epic math now. I'm pulling out a calculator that you guys can't see, but I don't care. Actually, I should just use an actual calculator. It's right next to me, but no. Technology for the win. Well, they're both technology, so I don't know why I said that, but computer for the win. Yeah, digital calculator. So if this thing is 600 by 600, the very middle is 300 by 300. And when I set the value of where to spawn the image, it's this corner. So now, if this image is 150 wide and 150 tall, then the center would be at 150 divided by 2. Obviously stupid. Just kidding. I don't know, I like to call my viewers stupid. 75. So now we need to do 300 minus 75. I have an A in math. That's the only class I have an A in other than gym. Now this is going to be right, the center of the image is going to be right in the center right now. Perfect. I'm like a mathematician. But like the image is big. So I still want the generally high resolution. Whatever. So I'm going to do what I did in the past, and I will change. I think I made that value a little too big. That's better. I wonder what that looked like to you guys. Right now, yeah, this isn't in the center anymore. It looks like it because this is bigger. This is 1,000 pixels by 1,000 pixels instead of what it was. This doesn't even fit on my screen anymore. Okay, time to zoom out. This probably doesn't fit at all on your guys' screen. The OBS. Wave it fit. Probably is coming off the screen. What does this look like to you guys? I was right, it is going off the screen. See, that's no longer in the center, but it'll do. Take some math. It'll be fine. Quick. So now we should do the same math again. So 75. 1,000 minus 75. No. 500 minus 75. Calculator. 500 minus 75. Doing this totally in my head, not with a calculator that I keep mentioning. Oh, I could have done this faster if I just used my brain. Boom. Should be in the center now, yeah. I can move this WASD. Can't go diagonal. If I try to switch keys too fast, it breaks out and it does that jitter you're seeing. Like, takes a second to go the correct way. So I'll explain this code more. So if a key is pressed, so if any key on my keyboard is pressed, it runs this first if. And then that checks if the last key that was ever pressed is D, which also works as the key that is being pressed, because the last key that was pressed is the key that's going to be being pressed. That's why this works. So it's checking if it's down, it's checking if it's D. Oh. I'm sorry, stop yelling at me. I have never gotten an error. Oh my god, it got mad. I think it was this, like the program, the add-on package for Atom that lets this window happen. Look at this welcome kidding pet. You are a player. You're gonna get shot at. This dog might die. This dog will die in the playthrough. This dog is gonna die. Do I get demonetized for saying die that much? I don't think so. I'm too young. They wouldn't demonetize someone like me that's saying die every 5 seconds. I probably need to stop saying die. I'm gonna kill this dog. See, kill. That's family friendly, right? Okay, now the actual coding. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, now what? Now we need to do this. Hey, you like this? You like this code? It's a line of code. Get it? Cause it's like, I'm sorry, my wired headphones. Yeah, I'm poor. Keep getting caught on the mic. It's probably really loud. Get it? Cause it's like a line, it's a line of code. It says line. Just kidding. This is not that funny, but did you like my acting? Probably like hurt headphones users, even though I'm a headphone user. I'm like racist. What? Why did I say that? How is that? I don't like know why I'm crushing myself. I'm crushing myself. Is there even a person watching? Who knows? They just click on the video to not watch it. Or stream to not watch it. Okay, if key A is being pressed. So I was saying the reason I brought it up is because I hate the movement code so much. I don't know another way to do it. There probably is another way to do it. And sort of the coding train, the YouTuber I looked up to like help me with the collision. There's probably a way easier way to do it, but I'm just overthinking it, and this is overcomplicated. It's probably oversimplified, honestly. Or it's I don't know. I don't know. I'm trying to bring up these stupid terms or trying to make sense of this. If I want to make this game good and publish this game, the movement is going out the window. Out. It's impossible to check if two movement keys are being pressed at the same time. And if they are, then you would go diagonal. Or you just can't press two keys at once. It'll glitch out. It'll keep switching in between them both. Not rapid pace at all. It sucks, so it won't even be fun. Line 12. I keep checking Discord to like see if like anyone had anything to say about my stream. My friends are in a call. I'm gonna mute on stream. Did I get my friend on? Do we have success? Oh. 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 That's 2 viewers. I got him on. He was good. I can't speak correctly. I should explain my code, friend. It's a dog. I was talking about how I hate the movement code. That was about it. That's all you really miss? You didn't really miss anything. Even though I've been live for an hour, you didn't really miss anything. Oh, that hurts, even though it's because it's the truth. Right now, I'm just making a line, which will be a wall. I don't know. I'm doing this because it'll be segments. It'll be boxes. It'll be multiple boxes. You didn't even. Oh, it is there. It's just so thin and black. Which matches the background. I'm not racist. Shut up. Why did I put a space? Why would anyone put a space? Well, the dumb people like me would do that. Makes sense why I would do it. Did I not just tell the string to be... Why did I just call it a string? It is very much a line. Now someone explain to me why that it didn't work and why it... I'm dumb. Because lines are strokes. Don't get them mixed up. The edge of a line is a stroke. I just closed Google Chrome. You guys probably see like a black thing or like... No, it just disappeared. That makes sense. Stroke. The color would be white. This is what I want. I also want to do... I feel so stupid. Okay, I also want to do stroke. There. Stroke weight. This is how thick it is. I want this thing to be thick. Like 20 pixels thick. Like reopen Chrome. Did OBS, did you deal with that? You did. Give it up for OBS. Okay, now. It's the line. Oh, it is there. It looks like the edge of the window. It is very close. I'm gonna make it like not 10 pixels away and like 50 pixels away. If I'm correct, that should... Yes. Yes, and then I can go right through it. Actually, I can go under it. Because that's how order of code works. Because I made this first. And because I made the line second, it goes on top. Layers. Onions have layers. The walls can be white for now. Is there a way I could just make like the outline, like only the stroke of the square? Like, can I just make a rectangle and then just hide the inside? Like, you can do no stroke. Can I do like no inside of the square? Huh? Stork. Stroke. Stroke. Okay, I just want, what does that have, like, frame? You see, I want, like, see, they just, like, connect all the lines. Who do they think I am? Someone that's gonna connect all the lines? Well, they're right. They're very right. I'm gonna do that. Because the world decided I need to create, so this is my vision. My vision is to have now I think about it, because my window showing me my window ain't showing me your window in the same place. Make sense? No? Yeah, exactly, so. I'm gonna say it again. My mouse, when it's over the Google Chrome, isn't in the same place, I don't think. It's only exactly in the same place. Identical. Is my OBS? I'm not catching the... I think it is. It's exactly the same. I don't know what I'm complaining about. I'm just doing some testing for a stream. Okay. They're in the same place. Wait, so I need to cut this height. Sorry, I like immediately start editing my code. It is bothering me. Okay. So I need to cut this height. I need 3 boxes. 1 box here, a box here, and a box here. All these boxes, I don't know how big they're going to be. That's the whole point of the math. They need to be 50 pixels from here. They need to be 50 pixels from each other. Right there and there. And then 50 pixels from there. So that's 50, 100, 150, and then 200. So I need minus 200 from the height. I think. Yeah. But think about, I want to figure out what point this one will end. This box will end. First, we're just going to do the total length, you know? Just kidding, we're not going to do it. I have no clue what I'm doing, but I don't listen to this crazy guy. Guys, go over here for right now. I don't know why I'm whispering. Go over there. Actually, just kidding. You're gonna watch me do this. I'm gonna. What was I doing? Oh yeah. You guys are gonna look at the calculator. Here's the calculator. Look at the I hope you like my calculator. Yeah. Okay. Let's go back to coding. I don't know why I started whispering there. Don't pay attention to that. So. Baby. That makes me sad. Like, just seeing this makes me sad. Okay. Okay. Sorry about that. I had to mute for a second because my sister that knows I'm streaming decided to walk in because she lost her cat. So she's like under her bed. She's just dumb. You know, older sister things, sibling things. Did my stream crash? Yeah, I didn't pay attention to their. Okay, so I'm still alive. That scared me for a second. I was getting some problems. I didn't pay attention to my chat, which I probably should have. I reported your stream for some. I can't hear you. I know you couldn't hear me. Okay. Who's this bellow dude? Who's this bellow dude? I know you can't hear me. Hey, Tucker, I'm streaming. Hey, Tucker, I'm live. Yeah, I saw that. I just looked at my chat. I was not abusing that dog. I was just, earlier in my stream, I was repeating the word die, seeing if I was gonna get, just saying, like, I should probably not keep saying die. Like, this dog is gonna die in the game. In the game, this dog is gonna die a lot. This dog's gonna, and right now, I'm still alive, and they can hear this. Basically, die. This dog is gonna die. Okay, goodbye. Tune into my stream. I said no right as I left. Oh. We have 2 viewers now. Could be my sister, because I just told her I'm streaming, so. hello, sister, if that is you. Or hello, person. Okay, back to math. Math time. I need to... What point would that be? First, we need to get the total... We need to get the divided problem. So it is 1,000 tall, 150, 100, 150, 200. So minus 200 is 800. That's how long the lines will be total. So we need to divide that by 3. Why? Okay, we're doing 4 boxes. 800 divided by 4. It'll give a bigger map anyways. This is probably better. This is fate. Really? Okay. So 200. Each room, that's what all these boxes are, is a room of the level. 200. So now, I just need to do... Okay, so my sister walked in again because she does not care that I'm live at all. And I mean, it doesn't matter, really. It doesn't matter. I reported your string for child abuse. I just like reading that over and over again and just laughing, because that's my friend for you. He told me I was abusing that dog when I got on the call. That's why I brought up the saying that dog's gonna die repeatedly. Okay. Back to math. So what number did I come up with? 200. Each one is 200 tall. Which means 250 would be the height of the first line. Of the bottom. I can do these all like under the same stroke weight and same like stroke, setting the color, because it doesn't, they're gonna be the same color and whatever. I don't need to change it. Why did all of a sudden you decide you hated me? Okay. So now I just need to add 200 to this, right? Or no, add another 250. So just like multiply that number. Hey look, calculator's back. Did this update for you guys? It did, that's great. So, I don't think that moved it, yeah. So just 250 times 2. Because if you think about it, it's just 250 plus another 250. I'm not actually going to show that. I just was kind of doing that for myself. So according to math, that should be correct. I haven't even looked at any of these. You guys probably seen the updates. Like, you guys can look at it right now, but I'm not looking. So now it's just 600, 750. What does this look like? Frick. Huh. Oh, because I'm telling them all to start in the same place. Right, we need to do the same thing here. We need to do... So one's starting 50 in. This one needs to start 300 in. What does that look like? This should look right. Wrong value. Wrong value, Poopstick Kid. Well, the name's like so long. Like that's why I don't say it ever. So I might change it. I mean, Jacksepticeye's fine because you can just say Jack. I need to temporarily comment out this line because that's would block out the line. You guys can see this while I'm just fumbling around there. See, that's right. But it doesn't. No, it's right. I need 4 of these. Remember I did math with 4? Stupid poop. I just call myself poop. Poop man. Poop man. That's insane. The last one's just 1,000 minus, so I don't even need to really do the math, really. Because I know my math. I know my math, so I don't need to do the math. It really is just add that value and then add 50. So this one's 550. And this one's 700 plus 750 plus 50 so you guys see this better. I did this earlier. I don't know. I feel like it zoomed out. So this one would be 800. My math is correct. It is. Look how perfect that is. Perfect. My math is correct. Yay. I had these two really. I'm sorry about that. And these two really big math tests today and yesterday, and I think I got 100 on both of them. Again, like I said, it's the only class I am an A in other than gym. How do you fail gym? That's what everyone says. And they're like the ones with an F. Online kids, that's how. Now I just need to do this again. This is gonna take forever. So now I should do this again, except flip the values. Is there an easy way to do this other than just doing the values again, but in like different spots? This isn't taking that long. It's just like remove 1 digit, add 1 digit for most of them. Cause it's all like 50 and then another digit. Or something like that. With like 500, I can just remove a 0 to make it 50. And then add a 0 to 50 to make it 500. Yeah, now I should move the ends over. I feel like I didn't think this through. I didn't do this right. Because I didn't think about Did I? Yeah, I did this right. This will turn out right. It won't be, though. It'll still be these lines. They'll just be at the correct spot. Like this line will be like here. It'll be an angle like that. Because I'm not moving them up yet. I will, though. Wait. I shouldn't be flipping them. I should just be making these both the same value. Oh, if anyone actually knows code and was probably yelling at their screen. Anyone that cares enough about my stream was yelling at their screen. Oh, that was not smart. Oh, I need a minus 200 though from these heights. So, because that's the math I did to get those eyes. The heck? Are these still supposed to be 50? No. No. That's just the normal line. They're not all going. It's like I'm flipping this on its side, which isn't what I'm on. That's what I'm doing. I just need to add 200. I need 250 in the X range. So, which is right there to another to 450. But no, why would is that 250 by 200 by 50? The height needs to be 50. All these heights need to be not. They all don't need to be 50. They need to be 50 plus 200. But no, they need to be 300. They need to be the same as the beginning height. Right? It's just you guys have seen the live updates or more live updates. I don't know. I can't tell. Yeah. Yeah. Obviously, they'll all be the same length, which I'm gonna figure out right now. Yeah, these all need to be 250. Not these don't need to get bigger because they're on the same place. Except for their beginning value, it's just different. Instead of 50 being like my main value that stays the same between all of them, it's 250 because these are different spots. Sir, why do you do this, sir? Why do you have to be out of place? Because I didn't change you. I didn't get to you. I wanted to make sure my code was I was actually doing the correct thing. There, now it's right. No, of course it's not right. I made you an 8, not a 900. Come on. Why can't I spell for the life of me? I'm hitting 8, but I'm obviously not. Okay. Boom, it's perfect. Now I just need to do that 2 more times. After I do this, I don't even get to do the collisions today because this is taking forever. I don't even want to end the stream, but I'll go for longer, you know? I'll keep going. I'll power through. This needs to be documented. Not really. No one really cares. So now, the second value. Yeah, let's just make the beginning value the same. That way we don't flip the entire code. It's easier that way. So now we just need to do this one's at 250 by 50. We just need to make this at the same thing, but it needs to be 250 by 250. Yeah. So the next one will be 300 by 300. I keep like saying that in my head, but it just doesn't seem right. Yeah, it's gonna be to right. That's going like this. Yeah, not at all. Why would I think that? I don't know. It needs to be. Think about the beginning. 250, 550 is right here. 250. 300. So no, this is 250 by 300 down. 250 to the right. So now I should add another 200, but I'm too lazy to do that, so it is just all these are gonna be 250. All these widths are gonna be 250. Are these like X locations? I started to say X, but I put what did I say? I don't remember. I have too much like going through my head right now. So now there's like all points right there. Right there, right there. Not ending anywhere. They're not going anywhere. There are two spots. It start on the end on the same spot. So now you make them not do that. This one needs to be 500? Really? You're adding 200 to that one. You guys are seeing live updates. I'm purposely saving to make sure you guys get the update. Because that reloads the page. What? So I don't know how to add? Why is this one always the problem child? Oh, I only added 100. Yep, I do not know how to add. It's this one. It just like gives me bad luck. Meh. This stupid problem child. This needs to be 950. Because I know the value. I could just actually take these and then change all of these to 250, which would have been way faster than what I just did. But no. That would create the line across the bottom, which is good. Would that create the line across the bottom? That's gonna create a diagonal through the box. Do I care though? Does it look like I care? I've changed all of these to 250, right? Now I've changed one to 250. All the other ones will be... Yeah, it did what I thought. That's because... Yeah, I need to change all these to 250. Let's test with the problem child. So if it's wrong, blame it on it. Stupid problem child. Keep yelling at the problem child. So it's 800 pixels down. Where is it? Wait, what? Someone explain to me why this isn't working? Is it doing a line right here? Guess that would make sense. All the values that you guys end. Let's just take all these values, but move all these values to 50 instead, and then bring it down, because that's going to create a diagonal in the other direction. This code I just wrote, so I'll understand. So this is creating a diagonal the other way. Yeah, one like that. Now she should move the height down 200. Which is the original. I think. No, it's not. Is it? I don't know. 400, 300. No, you're right. You're fine. You're not the problem child. 100. You need to add. I didn't add. I subtracted. That's too big. I hope you guys like that. I didn't get to see it though. Why do I keep coming up with 1,000? It's 950. Right here. Look at these. Look at these height values. That's why I copied this in the first place. I need these height values. I needed the start of these. No. Yeah. I needed the start. I need these values. And then I needed... I needed those beginning and those ends. What was this word for me to think of? Yeah, it's a perfect square. Look at that. Yay. When I know how to do math. So I just need to add, go back to the normal value, and make it 700. Go back to the normal value, and then add 200. Look at that. We have boxes that my player barely fits in. I obviously won't be using this picture, so the player obviously won't be that big. I hope you knew that was obvious. I didn't want this. This camera's gonna be like zoomed in on the player, so you won't see him. I don't know what I was gonna go with that sentence. Where I was gonna go with that sentence. Okay. I'm not running this room. We're not doing this. Now, what was what thing was he using? Oh, didn't shame. I go remember because I closed Google. Yeah. Write out the equation. Uses distance. Is there another example? No. Yeah, so I just need to do that. The d equal distance. Sorry about that. I just kind of like zoned out. I need to. I'm gonna use just so I can steal this example. Now, when did we use D? Okay. Let me think. So, I need my final. The reason I went on finding an image or whatever is because I need to know my final player. I still need to know my final player. My final collision. Should I just go with a square for now? I don't want to. It'll be fine. My final image will be probably 50 by 50. Or it might be 60 by 60 depending on the image. Come on. Oh, that's so small, but it'll be fine. It'll probably be a drawing too. It will be a drawing. Like a little sick. I'm fine though. Just a little bit. I do want to add entrances to these. And like will eventually add hallways and whatever. I should just make this in Unity. Why am I wasting my time in JavaScript? Oh, that channel is formed around Unity. I should just do it. Am I about to just throw this out the window and never come back to this? midstream. Okay, you guys, the no one that actually watches this channel, tell me, can I throw this out the window? I will have this exact thing in Unity. I'll make my first Unity 2D game. I've made 3D before. It'll be my first 2D. This is really boring, I know, but okay. I'm not gonna throw this out the window exactly. I'm gonna save this. This is very well saved. We can't stop hitting you, fat. I keep fat fingering enter, but I'm like really far away from my mouse, so I'm like bumping the edge of my keyboard and hitting enter. Oh, you guys can, by the way, go to this website. You can play the game right now. Cause I forgot to shut it down. So, oh, you were too late. Sorry. Just kidding. There. You can pause. Oh, or not. Sorry, the website's down. You don't get to. You don't get to play the game. Oh my god, the calculator's been open the entire time. Oh, I hope that didn't block too much of the code. Oh, I hope that didn't block too much of the code. Whatever. That sucks. I might end up streaming at 8. I don't know. Set your clock, set your alarms. The no one that's watching, or the one person that's watching this. Or start streaming again at... Please just talk in chat. I want to know who was watching me this entire time, please. Please. Comment on the video, because I'm about to end the stream. Okay. Yeah.